Welcome to online classes, student. Today we are going to start very important chapter, right? India's prime ministers. Firstly, we have to know about the term of prime minister. Prime minister is appointed by the head of the government or head of the cabinet of minister as prime minister appointed as the head of the government or head of cabinet of ministers, right? Once the government formed by a political party, one of leader of that party become prime minister, and by becoming a prime minister he formed many policies regarding country's welfare, right? So there are in our country many prime ministers called by their different and special names. So in this session we are going to learn about why they are called by their special names, right? So let's start it. Okay, we are going to start it. Jawaharlal Nehru ji, known as Chacha Nehru. Okay, it's our first prime minister also. Why he called Chacha Nehru? Because he loved the children very much, right? That's why the 14th November of his birth date that we celebrated Children Day, right? Go on. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He is also known as a poet, Hindi famous poet, but he is one of the best, we can say, Prime Minister of India. Now, Jawaharlal Nehru ji, Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, P.V. Narasimha Rao. He knows 16 languages, right? He is from the south state, but he know 16 languages, right? Rajiv Gandhi. He was professional pilot, right? He was a professional pilot, but he become after the death of Indira Gandhi of her mother, he became PM of India, which means Prime Minister of India. But he originally belonged to pilot profession, which means the air forces, right? Come to another. We have done this also. Dr. Manmohan Singh is one of the Sikh Prime Minister and well-known economist, we can say. Dr. Manmohan Singh are one of the famous Prime Minister of India, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. He succeeded Jawaharlal Nehru ji. He is the second Prime Minister of India, well-known freedom fighter. He given the slogan of Jai Kisan, Jai Jawan. It's a slogan given by Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. Indira Gandhi, known as the Iron Lady too. She is the only female prime minister, which means first prime minister, and known as Iron Lady. Her many policies are very hard and strict. That's why it's called Iron Lady. That's all. This is today our part of prime ministers. Why they call by their special names. Okay. So in by these prime minister we can learn that why they call by their special name, because they have this special quality in their self, right? So thank you, students.